Hey, what's up, guys? It's 68 Brandon playing a little American Wasteland BMX edition. You know, just doing it up. Uh, I really, I've been feeling the bike check lately. It's a rainy day, so I think I'll give you guys a little bit of a I mean, you know how I ride. I mean, you haven't seen me ride, but anyways, you guys, oh boy, you know. You know what I do. You know how I do. You know what I do. You know what I'm about. You know I could. You know all the stunts I could do. Like, you know, uh, me and my buddies. Yeah, we ride bikes every day, dude. Like I'm talking pouring rain. Every day for like 2 months straight, I have rode my bike. And you guys might be saying like, "Whoa, that's a little overboard," but I've kind of turned this bike check into a little bike talk too. You know, you're not gonna get good. That's the practice you need to, help yourself. And I feel that daily practicing my biking has really helped me increasingly with my manuals, my stalls, my grinds, my J hops, my just everything that I can do. My rotations, my threes, my ones, pretty much just everything, definitely. Every day you need to, if you're devoted to the sport and that's what you want to do, just to be good at it, not even to go pro or nothing, not even to go pro. I'm not talking professional yet. I'm talking just be good. Let me just find a nice frame thing you guys like. We are all BMXers, so uh I don't know. Oh, that's kind of cool, huh? Ooh, ooh, that's neat. All right, but anyways, let's get back to reality, boys and girls. I was on this. Oh, this is good. All right. Well, enough about BMX. We all know. But let's do a little bike check. This right here, what you guys see, is my Verde Eon. All right. I got my Stolen Thermalite pegs. Great peg. It's a great peg. Really good. I got my animal pedals. You know, Stephen Hamilton edition. I got my half-link chain on the way. I'm running 25.9. Odyssey bar ends. You know, Shadow Conspiracy seat with the nitrous seat post. But mainly what this bike check's about is my new nitrous back ring. I will give you guys a little bit of a hub sound demonstration. I know you guys love your hub sounds. I know it. That's my hub sound. We can do a little talk about bar position too if you guys want. If you guys don't finish this video, just comment on what you've seen so far. What I like to do with my bars is they're perfectly in line with my spokes. My forks. Alright? Want to be in line, that way you're throwing big axes in the air, you know. Go for the tuck, no hand. It's just how we do. Yeah, it's all around the bike, but upcoming in my video, I'm sorry, I'm a little nervous, but we're going to talk a little more about location not being Like you gotta be making the best out of what you have your ride. I mean, you guys don't understand where I ride. I right now my house. I live in a cornfield right now, but there's no corn anymore. I don't really care because I love to hunt, fish, camp, hike. You know, all of it. That's all I do normally. And it's just a sport for me that I've added. That's about it. Um, yeah. Uh, oh yeah. I got my friend here, Dylan. His name's Dylan. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Dylan. He's in the shower, so you guys see ya. Bike for life. Bike for life.